I am sitting inside the beautiful Terra Casa. I'm here with Diana. How are you?
Very good. Good morning.
So tell us why we're sitting here and what we're going to be talking about.
Well, we've had some rain lately,
Right.
so
True.
we had to bring some of our outdoor stuff indoors and show how this might be used in an outdoor setting once we do have the good weather, which is starting to happen now. And we've got a lot going on. Besides the or outdoor furniture, we've got a lot of motion and light going on in the garden.
I have to say, you know, we go a lot of places, we see a lot of different things, but every time I come here, there's at least several things that make me go, wow. Can I just jump right to these spinning, beautiful,
yes.
What are they and tell me about them?
So they are an eye catcher.
Oh,
and
indeed.
There's different kinds. The small ones come with the tails with the little crystal balls in them. The larger version comes without the tail, but you can buy the tail separate. And you'll notice that on the dragonfly one here, the wings on the dragonfly actually move and stuff.
That is so weird.
They're
because they don't really
mesmerizing.
actually move. It's the spinning.
It's the spinning.
They really are breathtaking.
They are. They're fun. The display we have in the store catches everyone's eye when they come in and they just come over and stare. And in your garden, the wind will make that move, of course. But if you have no wind and you want it to move, we do sell the little battery-operated spinners that go with it.
Which is great because I can see me wanting them inside, especially like in the winter.
Fun.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that would make that all the more convenient. So Diana, speaking of spinners, I also noted a great selection of them out along the street there on the fence. Tell me about those.
So they're a different kind of spinner. The ones we have in here are the hanging kind.
Right.
Those go on stakes. They can be staked out in your garden, or they can be, we zip tie ours to the fence line, so to give them a little more security and stuff in case you have wind, but they're very fun. They're called kinetic spinners, of course, because they move in different directions, like both sides move in different directions.
Right.
Yeah.
And they really, when the wind catches them, they can move.
they move very fast, and I would not put them out in winds over, I'd say, about 40 miles per hour. And we do bring ours in. If we get a little heads up that we're going to have a windstorm, we do take ours down and bring them in to preserve them.
And then let's talk about some of the things of the lighting that you're talking about.
So we have these solar mobiles that go outside as well, and during the day they look like this, but then at night they have a little solar battery at the top. They will light up out in your garden as well. Not a lot of light, ambient light of course, but they add a lot of fun, kind of a whimsical theme to your garden. There's dragonflies and flying pigs. And
so the only thing you would have to give it sunlight because they're right. So what I like about it too is they've gotten so much better. Usually when they first came out with this stuff a long time ago, they would last for like an hour, and then they would just kind of fade away. But these really will last.
And these do last. And also we sell the adapter so that if you want it lit all the time and you don't want to wait for nighttime, you can do what we do inside the store here and have it lit all the time. And
that's also something that they can get with the spinning really beautiful. They can be battery operated or
electric.
They can go electric.
Exactly.
Wonderful, wonderful. So not only these wonderful hanging things, but you also have some other stuff for lighting.
We have a variety of things that you can do outdoors on your patio. We do recommend that they stay covered. A lot of them can stay covered just to protect them. One of them is the flameless candles that we've carried for years. They work really well in a little lantern like this, which is really nice. They don't have to be in a lantern, but it kind of does protect them.
Charming.
Then we have up behind you, we have little solar lanterns that also they have a little solar battery at the top and they come on. And then the little LED lights that are also solar powered up in the jars up here as well. A little hard to show in the store when we've got light going on, but a lot of fun things. And then the solar sparkle cones that have a little LED light that, as in the landscape, as like a little walkway light would work as well.
So basically what you're saying is you have a lot of selections.
A lot of different kinds of things, yes.
Well, that is one of the fun things of always coming out to Terra Casa is there's so many options and so many new things to explore and experience, and then buy them and get them into your own garden. Diana, it's always a pleasure, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, William.